In this video, we are going to see the TCS interview experience from the Department of Instrumentation. Agenda 1 interview experience bonus tips. Now let me discuss about the TR questions. The first question will be of self intro. I have already made a video, a 5-minute video where you can able to know what are all the key points you have to mention while mentioning about yourself in self intro. The second question is about active and passive element. These concepts are related to electronics and instrumentation. So you have to know the domain knowledge also while attending the interview in TCS. The third question is what is Ohm's law or define Ohm's law? Resistor and capacitor. What is resistor and what is capacitor? What is the unit of capacity or capacitance? What is oscillator? Define modulation. Why C is not OOPS? Yes, C is a programming language. And what is multiple inheritance in Java? Define garbage collection in Java. Call by value and call by reference. Difference between call by value and call by reference in C. Here, some of the questions are asked from C as well as Java because the person have mentioned C and Java as a skill in resume. So he was fired with C and Java questions. If you have mentioned Java, then you will be getting questions related to Java. If you have mentioned Python, then you will be getting questions related to Python. So based on your resume only, you will be getting the questions. So prepare well your resume. Managerial round questions. Are you ready to relocate? Strength and weaknesses. Greatest achievement. How will you solve the complex project? These are the questions that have asked in the MR round. Then HR round. Here the questions are related to family information, asked about experience of round 1 exam, relocation, where are you from, what sports do you play, do you have any queries. Here I have given some of the information based on some of the interview experience that I have collected from the persons which have the unique questions I have mentioned in the HR questions. So prepare well these questions too. Now let me give the bonus tips to crack the interview. First, if you don't know any answer for the question that was asked in the interview, then just say I don't know this concept, but I will look into this. I am very excited to learn this concept. Like that, you can mention and you can convince your interviewer. The second tip is for theory answers, you should have explain it with application. The third tip is speak polite and confident. Fourth tip is prepare in your domain side too, which I have already mentioned in TR section. Fifth tip is most questions will be from your resume. So here the resume is your question paper and answer is from you. You have both answers as well as the question paper, so you don't worry about the interview because you already have the answers as well as the question paper. The only thing you want to do is prepare your resume and take a paper, just note the what are all the questions that will be asked from your resume and just take those questions and prepare your answers for those questions. Then stand in front of mirror and just record your voice in your phone to know how your voice looks. Just take a video how you present your answers before attending the interview because you should have a smile in your face, then it will be pretty much good, which will make the session more interested and it will be not bored with the interviewer because these are the things small things you have to be noticed. And also if you have tie, just wear it. If you have watch, wear it. These are the professional things you have to do. Now let me jump into the bonus tips. Sixth bonus tip, if you know C++, Java, Python, learn OOPS concept, which is very mandatory because if you attend any interviews, there will be a default question, which is OOPS concept. Seventh tip, prepare your projects well that you have mentioned in your resume. These are the bonus tips, 7 bonus tips that I have prepared, which will be used to crack the interview in TCS. All the best for your interview performance. Be confident while answering. And if you have any queries, you can ask me via the Telegram channel. I'll be giving the Telegram channel link in the description box and also some of the video links to prepare for the interview in TCS. All the best for your interview process. And also, if you are selected or if you attended the interview, then just mention your interview experience in comment section so the other persons can able to view the experience and they can able to prepare on their own, so you will be helping others to crack the interview. All the best for your interview process.